If you're serious about elevating your kitchen game, banishing odors, protecting your knives, and mastering meal prep with military-grade hygiene, then you absolutely need to consider a titanium cutting board set. This modern marvel of kitchen engineering can completely revolutionize your food preparation, replacing cracked wooden planks and stained plastic mats. The best sets offer incredible durability, non-porous safety, and the kind of clever double-sided design that makes cross-contamination a thing of the past. Before we break down the top 5 models, remember to use the links in the description below to check the latest prices and discounts on Amazon for every product we discuss. Let's get right into it. Number 5. The Sumzzz Double-Sided Pure Titanium and PP Board, the feature-rich kitchen anchor. Starting off our list at number 5 is a fantastic single-board option that proves a premium material doesn't mean a stripped-down design. The Sumzzz Titanium Cutting Board is a versatile 2-in-1 kitchen tool, featuring one side made of 99.9% food-grade pure titanium for proteins and a BPA-free PP side for fruits and vegetables. It's constructed with user-friendly features that home cooks will love, including a deep juice groove that can hold up to 200 milliliters of liquid and a dedicated milling zone for grating garlic or ginger. The built-in handle and hanging hole make it easy to carry and store. With a generous large size of 16 inches by 11 inches and a substantial weight of 2.64 pounds, it feels solid and slip-resistant on the counter. While it requires hand washing, its non-stick surfaces make cleanup a simple rinse. For a single board solution packed with thoughtful details at a very accessible price point, the Sumzzz Board is an easy recommendation for cooks who want titanium benefits without sacrificing convenience. Number 4. The XTBSE Pure Titanium 3-Piece Set, the slim and streamlined workhorse. Coming in at number 4 is a tremendous value champion focused on sleek functional design. The XTBSE Titanium Cutting Board Set offers 3 perfectly sized boards, small, medium, and large, crafted from 100% pure titanium. This set excels with its incredibly thin 0.06-inch profile that's both lightweight and space-saving, yet doesn't compromise on a sturdy feel. The double-sided design smartly separates your tasks, helping to reduce lingering odors. A major benefit is its true dishwasher-safe convenience, making post-meal cleanup an absolute breeze. The knife-friendly, non-porous surface protects your blade edges and resists stains and scratches. Assembled with a minimalist aesthetic, these boards are about no-fuss performance. With strong ratings and a price that offers significant savings, the XTBSE set represents a rock-solid, no-nonsense investment into a cleaner, more organized kitchen. Number 3. The NSLLL Thick Titanium Alloy 3-Piece Set, the heavy-duty performer. Taking the number 3 spot on our list is the NSLLL Titanium Cutting Board Set, a beast built for heavy-duty prep work and long-lasting durability. Don't let the alloy name fool you. This set boasts a solid 1.7 millimeters thickness, giving it a substantial, sturdy feel that withstands aggressive chopping, slicing, and dicing. The 3-size set, 11.5 inches, 14 inches, and 18 inches lengths, covers every task, from small herbs to large roasts. Its double-sided functionality keeps fruits/veggies and meats separate. Designed for ultimate convenience, the easy-to-clean surfaces require just a wipe, and they are also dishwasher-safe. The boards include hanging holes for efficient storage, keeping your kitchen neat. As an Amazon's choice product with high ratings, it strikes an excellent balance between rugged construction, versatile sizing, and straightforward utility. If you need a set that feels indestructible under your knife, the NSLLL is a phenomenal choice. Number 2. The Sufkodu 1-Piece Molded 3-Piece Set, the premium health and hygiene choice. Securing our number 2 position is the more advanced offering from Sufkodu, and it's our overall pick for hygiene and craftsmanship. This set shines due to its innovative 1-piece molding process, which uses no glue or adhesives, making it completely non-toxic and exceptionally durable. The brushed, non-porous surface is resistant to scratches, stains, and odors, offering significant safety advantages over wood, bamboo, or plastic. It features a thoughtful three-size set, 10.5 inches, 13 inches, and 16 inches lengths, with a double-sided design to meticulously separate raw and cooked foods. Cleaning is simple with water or a trip through the dishwasher. The packaging is exquisite, presented in a modern envelope-style box, making it a perfect gift for any home chef. With a stellar 4.7-star rating and premium features, the Sufkodu set is for those who view their cutting board not just as a tool, but as a foundational component for a healthy kitchen. Number 1. The APMRQIB Professional Grade 3-piece Titanium Set, the ultimate kitchen investment. And now, claiming the top spot on our list is the absolute unit, the APMRQIB Titanium Cutting Board Set, the ultimate all-in-one kitchen solution for the serious cook and health-conscious family. This is a true professional-grade set engineered from a single piece of titanium without any adhesives, ensuring 100% non-toxic use and BPA-free safety. It offers 3 perfectly graduated sizes, 10.5 inches, 13.1 inches, and 16 inches lengths, to handle everything from fine mincing to carving a holiday feast. The double-sided design is crucial for avoiding cross-use and cross-contamination. The wire-drawn surface treatment creates a smooth, pore-free finish that's exceptionally gentle on knives and impervious to moisture, warping, or cracking. It is fully dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Built with antimicrobial, rust-resistant, and heat-resistant properties, this set is designed to last a lifetime. By combining uncompromising material integrity, versatile sizing, and the highest hygiene standards into one package, it provides a complete kitchen upgrade. For the home chef who wants the very best and refuses to compromise on safety, durability, or performance, the APMRQIB set is the undisputed #1 choice. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best titanium cutting board sets you can find on Amazon right now. Whether you need the feature-packed single board from Sumzzz, the streamlined value of XTBSE, the heavy-duty build of NSLLL, the hygienic excellence of Sufkodu, or the professional-grade investment from APMRQIB, there's an option here to transform your kitchen prep. We hope this breakdown helped you find the perfect culinary partner for your home. If it did, please show your support by liking this article and subscribing to the channel for more content. Happy cooking, and keep it sharp!